Hello and welcome to Ecom Premium, a special course on Google Ads campaign setup. Okay, you will see all these steps that how to create campaign, how to set up ad groups, what is impressions, views, cost. So everything you must know before starting Google Ads, before reading out Google Ads, before learning Google Ads campaign or Google Ads Manager. You must know about some glossaries here, just like what is cost, views, and everything. Just like here you see impression and all these things, how Google Ads works. So let's understand what we should know before learning Google Ads. Okay, before going to start Google Ads setup or Google Ads full course, you must know about these things. We are starting with setting up Google AdWords terms. In this video, you will learn all the things like that are using in Google Ads, that what does they mean. So in setting up Google AdWords terms, you should know about campaigns. What is campaign? An ad campaign on Google AdWords is made up of your ad group and has the same budget, campaign type, and your other ad settings. It's generally what you first set up when you advertise, and it helps you organize your different paid advertising efforts. You can run multiple campaigns at any time from your Google account. And what is ad group? Ad group is set of keywords, budgets, and targeting methods for a particular objective within the same campaign. For example, if you are running an ad campaign for a shoe sale, you could set up ad groups to target for online sales, women's shoes, and men's shoes. You can have multiple ads in each ad group. What is campaign type? Your campaign type is where you want your ads to be seen. Google has search network only, which means Google search only, display network only, which means your ads shown up in Google display network of websites, videos, YouTube, Blogger, and more. This is known as AdSense. Search network with display select, which is a combo of search and display. If you have a Google Merchant Center account and want to use product listing ads, you can also choose shopping as a campaign type. And what is keywords? Keywords are very important in your Google Ads. They are the words or word phrases you choose for your ads and will help to determine where and when your ad will appear. When choosing your keywords, think like your customers and what they would be searching for when they want your products, services, or offers. So you can include as many as you like, but I would suggest a maximum of 20 keywords. And then it comes quality score. A quality score is a measurement from Google based on the relevancy of your ad headlines, description, keywords, and destination URL to your potential customers seeing your ad. A higher quality score can get you better ad placement and lower costs. Then it comes impressions. So an impression is the measurement of how many times your ad is shown. Ad rank. Your ad rank is the value that used to determine where your ad shown up on a page. It's based on your quality score and your bid amount. Mobile ad. Mobile ads are what your mobile searches see on their devices. Google AdWords has web mobile ads and ads for higher end mobile devices. Ad extensions. Ad extensions are extra information about your business, such as your local address, phone number, and even coupons are additional websites. They are what's shown up in blue below your ad description. Okay, now we are moving towards general AdWords terms. For your information, AdWords was the name of Google Ads before it. So call to action, CTA. A CTA is literally the action you want your searches to take. Good CTAs in your ads are short, actions-oriented words such as buy, get, act now, etc. Click-through rate, CTR. Your CTR is an important metric in your account settings. It measures how many people who have seen your ad click through to your link destination. And then it counts landing page. Your landing page is the page on your website to which you are driving traffic from your ad. Optimization. Optimization in Google Ads is like optimization elsewhere in marketing. It means making the changes in your ad that get you higher results for your objectives. Split testing. Split testing includes A/B and multivariate testing. Is a method of controlled marketing experiments with the goal being to improve your objective results such as higher CTRs, increased conversions, or even better ad ranking. Okay, now it comes to cost related AdWords terms. It comes bid strategy. Your bid strategy is basically how you set your bid type to pay for viewers' interaction with your ads. And then there is daily budget. Your daily budget is what you are willing to spend per day per ad. Your daily cost is based on a daily average per month, so don't be alarmed if your varies from day to day. CPC, cost per click, is the most common bid type on Google AdWords. It means you pay every time a person actually clicks on your ad. You set your maximum CPC in the bidding process, which means that dollar amount is the most you will pay for a click on your ad. And then there is PPC, pay per click, is the same as CPC. And then CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions, is a bidding method that bases your cost on how many times your ads are shown impressions. And then there is billing threshold. Your billing threshold is the level of spending that triggers a charge to you for the ad cost. It applies to automatic payments and the threshold level starts at $50. If you reach that within 30 days, you will be billed and your threshold then raised to $100 and so on. And then there is a last step, that is ad creative terms. In ad creative terms, there first comes headline. Your ad headline is the header of your ad copy. It generally shows up in blue when your ad is live. And then there is destination URL. Your destination URL is the landing page your ad is directed to when it's clicked. Your destination site can be a specific page. You can change it for different ads within ad groups. Your audience does not see it in the ad. Display URL. Your display URL is what shows up in your ad copy. You can keep this simple and clean to increase your brand recognition, trust, and conversions. And then there is side ad. A side ad is the ad that's shown up on the right hand side of a search engine results page, SERP. So this was the terms you should know before starting Google Ads major course, and then you will be easily understanding every terms here we have already discussed in this video. You must see this video if you have not and you are looking at the very end now, then you should know while creating campaigns, ad groups, ads, and everything. It will be very easy for you guys if you really watch this video before at the very beginning of this playlist of Google Ads free course. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. Thanks. Bye bye.